At Single Ply Roofing Experts, we specialize in high-performance single-ply systems built to protect, perform, and last on commercial properties. We install TPO, PVC, and SPF roofing with expert precision, designed to reduce energy costs, resist weather, and maximize lifespan. We solve common issues like leaks, poor insulation, and early deterioration, protecting your roof and your bottom line. With over 20 years of commercial roofing experience, we bring proven reliability, safety-first crews, and industry-leading warranties on every job. We offer custom solutions, project transparency, and flexible financing to meet your timeline and budget. Ready for a roof that delivers real results? Request your free estimate today with Single Ply Roofing Experts.